Namaste. Welcome to Tea Yoga and Life. Another beautiful day and another beautiful session on pranayam. To continue my series on pranayam, today I came up with Bhastrika pranayam. First of all, let's understand what is Bhastrika pranayam, what are the benefits of Bhastrika pranayam, and how should we do it and whom should avoid it. So coming to what is the meaning of Bhastrika pranayam? The name Bhastrika came from Sanskrit word Bhastrika, that means a blower which is used by a blacksmith to ignite the fire. So same thing Bhastrika pranayam does to our body. First of all, it increases our blood flow, increases the oxygen supply in our body part. It improves our immune system, also very good for building lung strength, as well as very good for our nervous system. But we should take some precautions also. Pregnant ladies and any person who has high blood pressure issue, they should not do it. People who have heart or lung issue, they should do it with some variation and taking precaution, and they should always consult doctor before doing this pranayam. Now let's see how can we do it correctly. First of all, in order to do Bhastrika pranayam, we should sit either in Sukhasana position where your legs are cross-legged, your feet touching the floor, or if you are feeling comfortable, then you can take lotus position, which is Padmasana. And if you still don't feel uncomfortable with Sukhasana or Padmasana, you can always sit on the chair, making sure your spine is in upright position and your neck and your throat and your head is straight. It should not be bent like this. So your spine is straight, your shoulders are relaxed. So you can relax your shoulder by rotating. So this way you can relax your shoulders. So once you are in this position and before you start working on Bhastrika pranayam, two things we need to take care about. First of all, inhale and exhale will be through nose only. Inhale and exhale duration will be same. The only thing when we will exhale will be forceful by the use of our lungs. So let's see how can we do it. So with the inhale, we will take our both hands up. Your fingers are open and wide. And with the exhale, exhaling through nose forcefully and making a fist. I will do 2 breath, sample breath, and after that we will do 7 to 10 breath in round 1. So let's see. Now I will do round 1 as I mentioned with 7 breath. Once you are done with your 7 to 10 breath, after that you can come back to your natural breath by placing your both hands in Chin Mudra, keeping your eyes closed and breathing slowly and calmly at your own natural pace. And after that you can go to round 2, another 7 to 10 breaths of Bhastrika pranayam, making sure your mouth is closed during this practice. So this should be done empty stomach early in the morning, not with heavy stomach, and always keeping your mouth closed, inhalation and exhalation through nose only. So this was Bhastrika pranayam. We mentioned about some benefits, whom should avoid it. Hope you liked it. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, namaste.